Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to sell from AliExpress to Amazon. First of all, you want to pick the products that you want to sell, and then in AliExpress application find a product with good reviews, fast shipping and reliable seller. Then go back to Amazon and upload the product photos, write your description of that product and set a price that is of course higher than what it costs on AliExpress, so that you make a profit. And when someone orders from you on Amazon, go back to AliExpress, place an order and ship it directly to your customer's address. It is very convenient because you don't need to hold any stock. It's all drop shipped. But one note that you should always keep your customer updated with tracking information and respond quickly to messages if they have any questions. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.